Welcome back, students. In episode 12, we will understand one of the most important topics in functions, the greatest integer function and the fractional part function. These appear in every JEE Main cycle and often in tricky JEE Advanced graphs. Also called floor function, denoted by 10 definition. 10 equals greatest integer less than or equal to x examples. 3.7 equals 3 minus 1.2 equals minus 2, 5 equals 5, 0.999 equals 0. Pushpin key concept for negative input. GIF always goes downward to the nearest integer. Structure. Constant steps jump at every integer. Right continuous height increases at integers between any integer interval in n plus 1x. Equals n graph looks like steps with open circle at right end, closed at left end. Right continuous limit from right equals value at point discontinuous. At integers, jump discontinuities periodic. No, not periodic. Domain, all real numbers. Range, all integers. Type 1. Isolating the GIF solve. 10 equals 3. Solution x is an element of 3, 4. Type 2. Inequalities, x. 2 means x, 2, but x should not enter region where x equals 2. So final x, 2. Type 3. Nested GIF, 2x equals 3. 2x is an element of 3, 4. X is an element of 3 halves, 2. Denoted by x definition. X equals x minus x range. 0 less than or equal to x. 1 examples. 2.3 equals 0.3 dash 5.2 equals x. X equals minus 5.2 equals 0.8. Sawtooth wave line from to open circle at jumps back to 0 at integers. X equals x plus x. X equals x minus x. X equals 0x is an element of for GIF. X plus a, shift left, x minus a, shift right, kx, compress or stretch horizontally k, x, vertical stretch minus x, reflection and x-axis for fractional part. X plus a, sawtooth shifts left, kx, shrinks cycles minus x, not a valid fractional part. X equals 0, x equals 0, x plus minus x equals 0 if x is an element of, minus 1 if x is not an element of, very useful in JEE. Q1, solve x plus x equals 5 using x equals x plus x. Equation becomes x equals 5. Solution x equals 5. Q2, solve x plus 1 equals x plus 1, always true. Every x gives true. Q3, solve x equals x, let x equals n, x equals x minus n. Equation, n equals x minus n, x equals 2, n. Now check x is an element of n, n plus 1. 2n is an element of n, n plus 1. N is an element of 0, so x equals 0. Question solve square root x plus 1 half equals x. Let x be integer n. Check LHS over cases. Take n even. N equals 2k, k plus 0.5 equals k plus k equals 2k equals n true. Take n odd. N equals 2k plus 1, k plus 0.5 plus k plus 1 equals k plus equals 2k plus 1 equals n true. So all integers satisfy. Homework. Solve 2x equals 3x. Find range of x superscript 2 minus 3x. Graph y equals x plus x. Solve 2x equals x. Find number of solutions to x plus 2x equals 10.